Hello guys, welcome to another great and easy tutorial about how to install Midjourney on iOS. So first of all, you need to go to midjourney.com. You click join the beta. You must have Discord at the beginning and accept the invite. When you do this, you click on getting started and here it shows you how to make AI pictures. So first you go to one of the newbie bot channels, second type imagine and then whatever you want. The bot will send you 4 images in 60 seconds. And 4, click the numbered buttons underneath to get upscales U or variations V. So in this video we want to do with the variation 4. So when we're here, we go to one of the newbies room, this one maybe, click imagine and write something like cars with angel wings and blue color. So guys, when you write something after 60 seconds, it will pop up and it will show you here it is my message and I'm waiting to do it by itself. So we're ready guys and it looks like this. It's really amazing. Look just how amazing images it makes by itself. So this is the tutorial guys. Thank you very much for watching.